Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to solve the following problem. Given convex quadrilateral ABCD, angle DAB equals 100 degrees and angle CDA equals 140 degrees. Join A to C and B to D. Given that angle ABD equals 40 degrees, angle DBC equals 30 degrees, and angle ACD equals x. The goal is to find x. And now for the solution. In triangle ABD, angle BDA equals 180 degrees minus 100 degrees minus 40 degrees, which equals 40 degrees. Since angle ABD equals angle BDA equals 40 degrees, triangle ABD is isosceles, so AB equals AD. Next, drop AP perpendicular to BD with P on BD. In an isosceles triangle, the height from the vertex bisects the base, so we have BP equals PD. Next, extend AP to meet BC at Q. In triangle BQP, angle BQP equals 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 30 degrees, which equals 60 degrees. Join D to Q and then consider triangle BQP and triangle DQP. We claim that triangle BQP is congruent to triangle DQP. Since BP equals DP, angle QPB equals angle QPD equals 90 degrees, and QP is common to both triangles. The two triangles are congruent by SAS. Since BQ and DQ are corresponding sides in congruent triangles, we have BQ equals DQ. Similarly, angle BQP and angle DQP are corresponding angles in congruent triangles. Therefore, angle DQP equals angle BQP equals 60 degrees. Likewise, angle PBQ and angle PDQ are corresponding angles, so we have angle PDQ equals angle PBQ equals 30 degrees. Next, consider this part of the diagram. Angle ABQ equals 40 degrees plus 30 degrees, which equals 70 degrees. Angle DQC equals 180 degrees minus 60 degrees minus 60 degrees, which equals 60 degrees. Since angle CDA equals 140 degrees, angle CDQ equals 140 degrees minus 40 degrees minus 30 degrees, which equals 70 degrees. Next, consider triangle ABQ and triangle CDQ. We claim that triangle ABQ is congruent to triangle CDQ. Since angle ABQ equals angle CDQ equals 70 degrees, BQ equals DQ, and angle BQA equals angle DQC equals 60 degrees, the two triangles are congruent by ASA. Since AB and CD are corresponding sides in congruent triangles, we have CD equals AB. Finally, consider triangle ACD. Since AD equals CD, triangle ACD is isosceles, so the base angles are equal. That is, S equals 180 degrees minus 140 degrees over 2. Therefore, S equals 20 degrees is the answer. As an exercise, try to solve this problem and see if you can get the correct answer. This marks the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.